Hi everyone. So welcome once again sa ating daily thoughts from EMG Property Brokerage. I am Paul John Macadaan. So today, I'd like to discuss something about paano ba natin masasabi that you are the owner of a property? Ano ba yung dapat hawak natin? Okay? Kasi I heard one time, no, sabi sa akin, nung meron akong nakausap, sabi niya, sir, bumili ako ng property ko and I have a deed of absolute sale and it recognizes me as the owner of the property. So the question is, ngayon, gusto ko i-share sa atin is, ang deed of sale po ba this is a certain proof na tayo na ba ang owner ng isang property? Right? So, yan ang sasagutin natin ngayon and welcome once again. So, para po sa atin, no, ang deed of sale is actually a proof of transaction na nagkaroon ng bentahan between the buyer, the seller, and ang cover nito is the object of the sale, which is the property, and kapalit nun ay ang pera na pinambayad. But the question is it sufficient enough to prove na kayo ba ang owner ng property? So, the answer is, the proof of ownership po is the title. Alright. So, here's the problem kasi, or here's the current na nangyayari po sa atin, no? Lalo na especially sa mga provinces. Ang akala kasi natin, once that you bought a property and you have the deed of sale, you acknowledge it, you notarize it, then tapos na. Okay? So, actually, hindi po natatapos kasi ang transaction with the deed of sale. Okay? Matatapos lang ang transaction if na-transfer na sa inyo or you have the copy of your own title for that particular property. So, another question is, Sir, Coach Paul, paano ba ang gagawin natin? Kasi bumili ako ng partition, part lang or portion lang ng isang property. So, meron akong deed of sale but I don't have the title kasi nga naka-mother title pa siya. So, ano po ba yung gagawin ko? Actually, recently, I interacted with some professionals, no, and some government agency na sinasabi nila na if you do not have the title yet or hindi pa nasi-segregate yung title, for us na ma-secure ang ownership natin doon sa title na binenta sa atin na portion land, let's say, the original title has 5,000 square meters and you bought 200 square meters, anong gagawin natin? So, we have to ipapa-annotate natin sa Registry of Deeds ang ating naging sale or bentahan. At ano ang gagawin natin? We register to the BIR, magre-request tayo or mag-apply tayo na certificate authorizing registration. And then kahit na hindi pa nakahiwalay yung ating document, yung ating title, no? Pwede itong ipasa or isubmit sa Registry of Deeds para i-annotate doon na sa inyo na yung ownership ng portion na yon. Right? So, while waiting for the approval of the survey plan. Okay? So, kaya naman, my dear friends na bumibili ng mga properties dyan, no? So, hindi po sapat na natapos lang sa deed of sale ang inyong mga transaction, no? If you wanted to know more about these transactions, you have to consult your real estate broker near you. Alright? So, again, I am Paul from EMG Property Brokerage and I am a real estate broker. Thank you very much and God bless you all. Bye-bye.